Morning guys, I'm at Nambour. So Nambour swap meets on today, but I've come in just from the car park down there. And look at this, how beautiful this looks. This is just walking into the joint. So I had to walk down here and pay $5 to get in, so we'll bang around with that. We'll go for a look. Now, I've left my phone at home, so I can't ring Scooby. I can't ring anybody until we let them know I'm even here. So it should be fun. I should be able to just... It's $5 cash to get in, so...
Yeah, you can. Or is it against your...
Hang on, friend. So I don't even know where I'm going. There's my Mick fucking ticket. We better put that in the bag. So I don't know how I've left my phone at home. But I have, because I'm a genius. So it'll just be a finding the boys, which could be anywhere, because I don't even know where I am. I'm just walking up here. I can't even see stuff. Nice old Ford. So we'll just have a look around, eh? They said we can't park it. These must be all the cars that are still holders, I guess. Not really sure. Is it up here? Excuse me. What are we looking for? G clamps. And VF, I think. Look at Bart. Bart's cool. Take you away from the tunes. It's not busy. Oh, Smurf's cool. Is that Woolworths? It looks like.
Yeah, they came out in Woolworths a little while ago.
Yeah, I don't remember that.
There was a set of, I'm not sure if it was 10 or a dozen.
Don't remember that, eh?
No, it was, I'm sure they'll have a date on them, but it wasn't that long ago. It was
No.
only like 12 months ago.
Probably must have been when a movie came out.
No, it was
Just random. Let's play with Smurfs.
Yeah, it was just random. Yeah.
Have you been busy? Because
It's been a good crowd.
it has been, yeah. Because when I walked in, I was like, oh, I'm glad. Oh, some cool old cameras. Let this guy go by. Yeah, they're cool. I like old cameras. There's a little one.
I know, everyone looks at that one. It's like a magnet.
Makes you think you're like a spy or something. You know, something they'd be using in the war, the Cold War. Russia. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, is it? French Revolution. That's a good idea, isn't it? Turn a keg into that. Clever. We do clever. Geez, a lot of people here. Oh, it's gonna take me some time. Oh, God. Right, so Cattleman's Road.
Go this way, though.
Oh, they got on the red phone, 60. That seems cheap. Thought they were dearer than that on eBay. Just that. I love all that stuff. Oh, this is nice. They got over here. Jeez, look at this thing. Hey? Look at this thing, guys. I love the skull. It's duck's guts, isn't it? Very cool. Would I spend 42 G's on that? Probably not. Probably not. But then again, I probably wasted money anyway, so. Oh, that's the first part of it. So that's a 9-minute one. I'll turn it off for a bit and find something interesting. Find some of the lads.